We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Statistics and Probability. This problem is based on the concept of binomial distribution. This question has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 27th June 2022 in the morning shift. The given question is, let capital X be a random variable having a binomial distribution B bracket 7 comma P. If the probability of X is equal to 3 is equal to 5 times the probability of X is equal to 4, then the sum of the mean and variance of capital X is. We are given 4 options. Option A 105 by 16, option B 7 by 16, option C 77 by 36, option D 49 by 16. We have a random variable capital X and it follows, capital X follows the binomial distribution given by B bracket 7 comma P. And if probability of X is equal to 3 is equal to 5 times probability of X is equal to 4, then required to find the sum of the mean and variance of this random variable X. Now, before entering into the discussion of the problem, let's see the binomial distribution. If a random variable capital X follows the binomial distribution B bracket n comma P, then we write X is equivalent to B of n comma P, where n is the number of independent Bernoulli trials and P is the probability of getting success. Agreed? This is what we know. And the probability of getting R successes in n Bernoulli, in n trials, is denoted by probability of X is equal to R, and it is given by probability of getting R successes, X is equal to R, is given by NCR into P power R into Q power n minus R, where P is the probability of success and Q is the probability of failure, and P plus Q is equal to 1. Agreed. And we know the mean of the binomial distribution is given by n times P, and the variance is given by NPQ. Yes, we are ready. Let's get into the problem. That is our given problem. Solution. We are given capital X, a random variable, and X is equivalent to B of n comma P, where n is equal to 7 and P is equal to P. So because X follows B7 comma P, therefore n is 7, P is P. Then in that case, probability of getting R success, X is equal to R, is given by NCR into P power R into Q power n minus R. In our case, n is equal to 7, so 7CR P power R into Q is 1 minus P to the power of n minus R, that is 7 minus R. Agreed. So we are ready. Let's get into the problem. Now, probability of X is equal to 3 is equal to 5 times probability of X is equal to 4, implies probability of X is equal to 3 means R is 3, 7CR into P power 3 into 1 minus P power 7 minus 3. So this implies 7C3 into P cube into 1 minus P to the power of 7 minus 3 is equal to 5 times probability of X is equal to 4. In this formula, put R is equal to 4. 7c4 into p power 4 into 1 minus p to the power of 7 minus 4. Now, here 7c3 and 7c4 cancel each other because they are equal. Why? NCR is equal to NCn minus R. We have the formula. Therefore, 7c3 is equal to 7c4. Cancel that. Then we get p cube into 1 minus p to the power of 4 is equal to 5 times p power 4 into 1 minus p to the power of 3. Agreed. Now cancelling p cube into 1 minus p whole cube throughout, we get 1 minus p here is equal to 5 times p here, 5p. So simplifying, we'll get 6p is equal to 1. Thus we get p is equal to 1 by 6. The probability of getting success is 1 by 6. And getting a failure, that is q. Q is equal to 1 minus p. Why? Because p plus q is equal to 1. So 1 minus p is 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. Now we are ready. We are ready to talk about the mean. The mean is n times p, that is 7 into 1 by 6, that is equal to 7 by 6, correct? And the variance is npq, n is 7, p is 1 by 6, q is 5 by 6. This is 35 by 36. Required to find the sum of the mean and variance of x. Okay. Required to find mean plus variance of x. So that is equal to mean is 7 by 6 plus the variance is 35 by 36. Now take the LCM 36, then you will get in the numerator 42 plus 35, and that is equal to 77 by 36. Thus the answer for this question is the mean plus variance of x is 77 by 36. Let us look at our options. Our answer 77 by 36 appears against option C. Therefore, the answer to this question is option C. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem, which is based on the concepts of binomial distribution from the section statistics and probability. And I am sure that you have definitely understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.